With the new day comes new strength and new thoughts. I have always been delighted at the prospect of a new day, a fresh try, one more start, with perhaps a bit of magic waiting somewhere behind the morning.
Hello, I'm Ashma Tandon from class 4D.
Hi, I'm Shivan.
I am very excited. I'm going to my grandma's house tomorrow with my family.
Hey, where does your grandma live?
She lives in a small town near Ghaziabad. My mom was telling me that it's a beautiful place with greenery all around. Unlike cities, people sleep early and wake up early. There is no pollution at all.
Oh, yes. This is because main occupation of the people living there is farming. And farmers work day and night to earn their living. In fact, their children do accompany them to the fields every day.
Do you mean children do not go to school?
Yes, they do not. Moreover, their physical health also hampers due to poor healthcare facilities.
Don't you think they can improve their living condition if they are made aware about importance of education and good health?
You are absolutely right. Quality education and good health can bring prosperity in their well-being.
Let us discuss with all how quality education, hygiene habits, and good health can contribute to our well-being. आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य एवं निर्देशिका महोदय शिक्षक और मेरे प्यारे मित्रों, आज के इस प्रातः सभा में हम आपका हार्दिक अभिनंदन करते हैं। किसी भी कार्य को करने से पहले हम भगवान की स्तुति करते हैं। तो आए प्रातः सभा का शुभारंभ हम स्तुति से ही करें।
सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। तुम्हीं से है आगाज तुम्हीं अंजाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। गुरु का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना बने महान गगन को छू ले हम, इतना बने महान गगन को छू ले हम। तुम्हीं से है हर सुबह तुम्हीं से शाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु।
Arna will share thought for the day.
Sound mind lives in a sound body. A sound body means a body free from diseases. A sound mind means a mind capable of good, positive, and free thinking. I think we should all follow what my friend is going to share in his poem.
How many times did you not go to work? Sick, sick, sick. Production going down and you are tracking your country to the ground. Too much salt and sugar, too much snacks and soda. You need to get moving. Start exercising. Fruits and vegetables should be part of your diet. 8 colorful plate is what you need. Keep your environment clean. Diabetes, cancer, and hypertension on the rise. Don't let them catch you by surprise. Get yourself checked today. Don't postpone it for another day. A healthy nation is a wealthy nation. Get on the healthy train today. Thank you.
Health is essential for all our activities of life. Whatever we may be, a doctor, a leader, an artist, a teacher, a student, we must possess health by all means.
Moreover, good health is the most valuable gift available to the mankind on this planet. It is a state of complete physical, mental, social and spiritual well-being. Health of an individual is a basic necessity for carrying out day-to-day activities.
In fact, no amount of money can buy us a healthy life. So it is better we endeavor to live our life in a very healthy way.
So, to ensure good health,
Eat lightly.
Breathe deeply.
Live moderately. Treat with cheerfulness.
Maintain interest in life.
At the same time, a man without education is like a building without foundation.
शिक्षा का एक व्यक्ति के जीवन में बहुत महत्वपूर्ण स्थान है। शिक्षा वह है जो हमें एक सभ्य इंसान बनाती है और समाज की उन्नति में अपना योगदान देती है। शिक्षा का अर्थ ही है सीखना, सिखाना। इस प्रकार से शिक्षा द्वारा न सिर्फ हम कुछ नया सीखते हैं, बल्कि इसके द्वारा पीढ़ियों के ज्ञान का हस्तांतरण भी नई पीढ़ी के लिए किया जाता है। इसलिए हम कह सकते हैं कि गुणवत्तापूर्ण शिक्षा एक व्यक्ति के साथ साथ पूरे समाज की तरक्की के लिए काफी महत्वपूर्ण है। सभी समस्याओं का हल शिक्षा देगी बेहतर कल। सभी समस्याओं का हल शिक्षा देगी बेहतर कल। गुणवत्ता की मांग हर जगह होती है और गुणवत्तापूर्ण शिक्षा से आशीष शिक्षा के गुणों में समावेश करना, जिससे छात्रों को शिक्षा के उद्देश्य की प्राप्ति बड़ी भांति हो सके।
अंधकार को दूर कर जो प्रकाश फैला दे वह है शिक्षा। बुझी हुई आस में विश्वास जो जगा दे वह है शिक्षा। जब लगे नामुमकिन कोई भी चीज उसे मुमकिन बनाने की राह जो दिखा दे वह है शिक्षा। हो कोई जो असभ्य उसे सभ्यता का पाठ पढ़ा दे वह है शिक्षा। अज्ञानी के मन में जो ज्ञान का दीप जला दे वह है शिक्षा। दुर्गम मार्ग को सरल जो बनाए चकाचौंध और वास्तविकता में अंतर जो दिखाए वह है शिक्षा। शांति सुकून और खुशियों का जंतर मंतर है शिक्षा। शांति सुकून और खुशियों का जंतर मंतर है शिक्षा।
states have set up sustainable development goals with a common vision of a world free from poverty, hunger, and disease. SDG 3 and SDG 4 focus on good health, well-being, and quality education. Our government is constantly working on imparting quality education and has made education compulsory for all the children till the age of 14 years. Thank you.
सुनो घंटी बजी स्कूल की, चलो स्कूल तुमको पुकारे। पल 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 रोशनी जो मिली स्कूल की, जगमगाओगे तुम बन के तारे।
सुनो घंटी बजी स्कूल की, चलो स्कूल तुमको पुकारे। पल पल रोशनी जो मिली स्कूल की, जगमगाओगे तुम बन के तारे।
कॉपी और किताबें सारी
स्कूल देगा, स्कूल देगा,
यूनिफॉर्म भी तुम्हारी।
स्कूल देगा, स्कूल देगा।
स्कूल अब घर से दूर नहीं है,
हम हो गए फासले,
पहुंचोगे स्कूल के गेट पर तुम।
थोड़ा सा भी जो चले,
प्यार और नरमी से तुमको पढ़ाएंगे टीचर है ऐसे भले।
सच 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 रीत अब है यही स्कूल की, कभी टीचर न बच्चों को मारे। सुनो घंटी बजी स्कूल की, चलो स्कूल तुमको पुकारे।
We should not forget that we are social beings. We live in a society.
We need to get proper
Hence we need to
education.
take care of our surroundings and the society we live in. Take a small step each day to ensure that you are as responsible as the head of the family, school, or country.
We need to get proper education and maintain a healthy lifestyle by doing what is right for our body and mind. I see my child getting involved in a lot of creative work that focuses her mental well-being.
I'm very happy to share with you all that under the guidance of our principal cum director, Ms. Manju Rana Ma'am, our teachers are constantly working towards environmental sensitivity and keep motivating us to contribute our bit.
That's true. Our SDG goalkeepers are working in sync with Sustainable Development Goals to achieve a better and more secure future for all.
I feel there is a direct link between education and health. We can't keep ourselves healthy if we are not educated. And if we are not educated, we cannot keep ourselves healthy. In other words, quality education and good health ensures man's well-being on this earth. Do you know? SDG 3 and 4 focuses on quality education, good health and well-being. Keeping these things in mind, Jaipuria School has integrated many activities with the health curriculum that focus on healthy living. In addition, our school regularly conducts online sessions on yoga for students, teachers, and parents.
We all eagerly wait for the SEL, Tier Time, PBL, and inter-house activities coming up every week. Our school has always provided us the opportunities to express our emotions through these activities. In other words, the school is giving its best in terms of knowledge, skill, aptitude, and attitude.
सेठ आनंदराम जयपुरिया स्कूल गुणवत्तापूर्ण शिक्षा पर बल देता है। विद्यालय का मानना है कि हर बच्चा सीख सकता है और हम उसे मिलकर सिखाएंगे। हमारा विश्वास है कि हर बच्चा अद्वितीय है। हम उन्हें अपना सर्वश्रेष्ठ हासिल करने के अवसर प्रदान करते हैं। हमारे लिए हर बच्चा मायने रखता है। हम इस पल पल बदलती दुनिया में सफलता को प्राप्त करने के लिए उसे समग्र बनाते हैं। विद्यालय में चल रही ऑनलाइन गतिविधियों के माध्यम से बच्चे अपनी क्षमताओं का लगातार प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। उन्हें पीबीएल के माध्यम से प्रोजेक्ट तैयार करना, चित्रकारी, डांस, इंस्ट्रूमेंटल म्यूजिक, स्वरचित कविताओं और रचनात्मक लेखन के पूरे अवसर दिए गए हैं, जिससे उन्हें अपनी प्रतिभा को निखारने का मौका मिला है। सेठ आनंदराम जयपुरिया स्कूल मानता है कि नैतिकता से ही समाज आदर्श रूप बनता है और छात्रों में नैतिकता का होना नितांत आवश्यक है। इसी बात को ध्यान में रखते हुए सोशल इमोशनल लर्निंग यानी सेल के माध्यम से छात्रों में नैतिक व्यवहार को सुदृढ़ करने के लिए विभिन्न विचारों जैसे सहानुभूति, धैर्य, साहस, ईमानदारी, मित्रता को अपनाने पर बल दिया गया है। इन सभी को अपने जीवन में आत्मसात करने से छात्र स्कूल, समाज और परिवार में बेहतर रूप से समायोजन कर पाते हैं। छात्रों को समूह गतिविधि, नुक्कड़ नाटक, अभिनय, डांस प्रतियोगिता और सिंगिंग आदि के द्वारा छिपी प्रतिभा को बाहर निकालने के अवसर दिए गए हैं, जिससे वे अपनी पसंद एवं प्रतिभा के अनुसार खुलकर प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। हर किसी को ऐसे वातावरण में सीखने और बढ़ने का उचित अवसर मिला है और छात्रों का चहुमुखी विकास हुआ है, जिसके बाद वे खुले आसमान में अपनी मनचाही उड़ान भरने के लिए तैयार हैं।
आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर, भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले, छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर। आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर, भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले, छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर। खोल दे पर, 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 खोल दे पर।
promise to follow the footprints of our honorable principal cum director, ma'am, and achieve milestones in life. Thank you, ma'am, for always being there with us. That's all for today's presentation. I request Principal cum Director, Miss Manjurana ma'am, to share her views and shower her blessings on us.
प्लीज मैम को अनम्यूट कीजिए। Yes, ma'am.
You have invited ma'am to speak?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am is there.
All right. Okay.
Ma'am is there.
So first of all, a very, very pleasant good morning to one and all present here. And I think wonderful class 4 is actually doing all the assemblies on SDG. And I think it is very, very important for us to understand that 17 SDG that we have. Quality education, according to me, is the most important one. Because if we are able to give that quality education, I think a lot of other things, you know, whether it is climate change, whether it is environment, whether it is poverty, whether it is good health, you know, everything, a sensitization towards saving water, like we had yesterday, we had an assembly on saving water, how important it is. So I think good education, quality education creates that kind of an awareness, and we are able to think in a very, very rational manner. And I'm so happy that at Jaipuria, we are trying very hard. The teachers are trying very hard that even during pandemic, you know, we do not deter in our quality education that we are imparting to our children. And for that, I need to congratulate the entire faculty of our teachers at the school. In spite of having so many limitations, we were able to, you know, carry on with our online classes so seamlessly. So very well done under the mentorship of the headmistress, Indu Kohli, you know, coordinators, Kumud and Parul, both are there. And of course, today's assembly by class 4th C and 4th D by Preeti Singh and Bindu. They both are our seasoned teachers. So I was expecting a wonderful assembly, and you did not disappoint me for that. So started with a beautiful poem and then performances on the benefits of education and initiatives taken by the government. And of course, how important inclusive education is. And we try very hard, again, as I'm saying in our school also, that and NAP also highly talks about the quality education, the training of the teachers, inclusive education, cluster of schools. So these is a broad vision of the government also in coming years. So yeah, we are very fortunate that we are in that era when there is so much of dynamism happening in education. And I'm sure you know, it is going to take us to a completely next level. So thank you, Chitra, for putting it all together. And we are very fortunate that our parents are engaged with us, you know, because nothing would, especially in this time when I have been saying that earlier also, that the school has gone to homes of all, you know, and our bedrooms have become our classrooms. So the role of a parent is extremely significant. And the kind of community programs that we try to do it in school, a lot of initiatives that we have taken during, whether it is SEL or whether it's design thinking, you know, or scaling up our numeracy and literacy skills. A lot of the credit also goes to our parents also, because they were the one who were at home. A lot of my parents have, you know, have left their jobs to take care of the children. It's not easy, and I do acknowledge that. They have stayed at home, you know, taken a break from their job, their assignment, to make sure that the children are comfortable. But I want to tell over here that slowly and gradually things are opening up. Malls have opened up, shops have opened up. We are only very, very careful about opening the schools because we know we are dealing with small children. But yes, we need to, because we don't want children to go into that very comfort zone, which they have already gone. So I think it's a huge challenge now for all the teachers and the parents to bring the children back into the physical space, because they are so much into online classes. So we're taking baby steps in that. Slowly and gradually, we are opening up schools. So I would request children also get up, take off your uniform, iron them, wash them, polish your shoes, take off your tiffin bottles, and just be ready to come to school. We are really, really excited to welcome you all on 11th of September, from the Monday to 11th. We plan that from Monday the schools will open up.
Not 11th, now 11th October.
Yeah, 11th. Oh, so sorry. 11th October. Thank you for correcting me. So you're right. So 11th of October for sure. And you just have to come for a few days, and you get in the Shara break in October. So yes, so try to come out. So I'm so excited that you are so alert even in your online classes. So you have showed me how alert you are. And so thank you, Ms. Charu Mittal, mother of Arna Mittal, for being here. She has done her graduation from Miranda House and post-graduation in finance from Symbiosis, and she runs a travel agency. So, so I will hope and wish everything opens up, and you plan a trip for all of us to go out somewhere. And we have Priyanka Vohra with us. She's a BTech in Applied Electronics and Instrumentation, an MBA in HR and Operations from Amity University, working as Barclays as Assistant Manager. So I welcome both the parents here today, and thank you for your deep involvement into all the school activities. So thank you once again, entire team, for making me witness such a wonderful assembly. Thank you, and God bless you all. Stay safe, stay happy, and join us on 11th of October 2021.
Thank you, ma'am.
But I will join on 12th.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Kumar.
Please take ma'am's permission.
Thank you, ma'am, for always motivating us. You are a true inspiration for all of us. On behalf of Class 4C and 4D students, I extend a heartfelt thanks to our dear Principal cum Director, Manju Rana ma'am, Vice Principal, Suprabha ma'am, Headmistress, Indu ma'am and Sonal ma'am, Primary Coordinator, Kumud ma'am and Parul ma'am, Priyanka ma'am and Chitra ma'am.
My special thanks to the parents who participated and other esteemed parents of the Jaipuria